we are trying to conquer the track. It's pretty difficult because currently the track conditions are half dry, half wet, so it's very unpredictable to drive the car if one of the wheel is on the dry and on the wet, so it's very sketchy. But you gotta do what you gotta do. I paid for the track, so you gotta use it. Type shit, I guess.